Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to submit a proposal on Upwork. So first things first, what we're going to do is go to our Upwork app. Now after that, just make sure to find a job that is fit to your skills and experience. So for example, I'm good in graphic designing, so I'm gonna choose this one. So make sure to read the description of your client because sometimes client ask for a words or secret words that they put in description to make sure that you read entirely what they said in this job. So make sure to read that. Now what you're going to do is to check also the ratings of the client that posts the job, and after you check all of that, you can now submit your proposal. And then make sure to set an hourly rate that is appropriate or that is matched to your skills, because if you bid high and your work is not that good, ultimately the clients will not accept your proposal. So you must also write a effective cover letter and add some portfolios to make sure that you catch the intention of your client. And then that's pretty much how you can do that. And then that's it. If this video helps you, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.